Hey, grab a second, because I want to talk to you the way someone talks after actually living with a machine that changed how they game and work. The BEASTCOM Q5 Pro isn't just a budget-friendly gaming PC, it's the point where you finally stop settling for sluggish performance and start feeling what smooth, confident power actually feels like. This is for the person who's outgrown slow load times, choppy gameplay, and that constant feeling of being bottlenecked. Someone who wants to play, create, multitask, without feeling like their PC is fighting them the whole way. You're the type who knows when it's time to level up. Before we go deeper, take a quick look at the current price in stock. Systems at this tier disappear without warning. You knew it was time for an upgrade the moment your old setup started stuttering in the middle of matches, or when a simple video render made your entire system crawl. I've been there, and the day you switch to the Q5 Pro, the relief is instant. Apps open faster. Games load smoother. The desktop finally feels like a place you can move instead of a place you get stuck. Gaming becomes more fluid. You jump into your favorite titles and the RTX graphics keep frames steady without the constant fear of dips during intense moments. Even casual creators feel the shift, editing, streaming, multitasking. Everything stops being a struggle and starts feeling doable, even enjoyable. And the feeling is what sticks with you. The responsiveness. The confidence. The sense that you're no longer dragging outdated hardware behind you. Once you've felt this level of smoothness, going back to a weaker machine feels like stepping into mud. Before you get too comfortable, check the price again. Don't wait for random stock swings or weird price jumps. If you're doubting whether this setup is enough, that's normal. But here's the truth, the Q5 Pro isn't trying to be some overpriced flagship. It's designed to hit that sweet spot where real-world performance meets smart value. It's quiet, stable, fast, and more capable than people expect when they hear the price. The surprise benefit. How clean and organized everything feels. You don't get the heat, noise, or clutter that usually comes with budget gaming rigs. It stays cool, stays responsive, and stays consistent even when you push it. Owning something like this gives you a lift. You walk past your desk and feel proud of your setup again. It matches your ambition instead of embarrassing it. You feel the gain in speed. You feel the smoothness in gameplay. You feel the difference in your workflow. This is gear that supports you. You enjoy faster launches, smoother matches, cleaner multitasking, and a system that doesn't choke under pressure. The only soft downside. You might find yourself wanting to upgrade your monitor next, because this PC will show you what your display isn't taking advantage of yet. But eventually, the comparison loop ends. You stop scrolling endlessly. You choose the machine that already aligns with what you want: stability, speed, and the confidence to actually enjoy your setup. If you're ready, go check the link, see the current price, and make the move. The BEASTCOM Q5 Pro is one of those upgrades that makes you wonder why you waited so long.